was the settlement a little over 3 weeks ago below this longer-term channel bottom at 378.05. It was a structure that held back in April, and we got into a consolidated framework before collapsing 3-4 weeks ago below 378.05. Now, the settlement below 378.05 has set up 227.85 as a long-term target, like by the end of the year. On the way down, we do have respectable, what I call midterm support. 296.35 is a descending channel bottom that actually contained the selling pressures a couple of weeks ago, combined with 291.81, which is a wave count based on the same set of data, really, takes you to 291.88. So this, what I would call low to mid 290s now, solid bottom picking territory, and we've come off of it, actually. We've rounded up, and the 349.41 formation has remained a 2 to 3 week target since testing the 290s. We're a couple of weeks into that right now. We could see 349.41 this week if we were to close today above 337.24, and that is that April 26th low. We could top out here intraday, possibly for the day itself. The way I see the day itself really is you can buy 319.68, which is a 1 week channel bottom, and sell 337.24, but just know that 2 to 3 week time frame still maintains 349.41 as an objective that can contain buying not only for the week, but we could fall away from here through the rest of August. And I say that because of the significance of the long-term sell signal, that this is by definition a counter trend rally. Counter trend rallies are prone to fail prior to reaching their obvious objective, and you could say an obvious objective could be that 378.05 area over the next month or two above 296.35. But I think that this descending channel bottom should be given the benefit of the doubt for its ability to contain weekly, possibly monthly highs. We could fall away from here for the rest of August back into the 290s again. Closing above 349.41, while it's not going to happen today, if over the next 3 to 5 days we do, we enter a 1 to 2 week buy signal to 378.05. And that is a significant long-term resistance area, can contain buying through the rest of the year. And from here we can fall away into the 220s over the following roughly 3 to 5 months. Now, downside, if we break 319.68 today, 309.86 is in reach, and that can contain daily selling pressures. I also don't have a problem playing the 3 to 5 day swing trade at that 309.86 channel bottom because we can round up from here within 3 to 5 days back to the 349.41 formation. It would, however, be a 309.86 settlement below that would signal a retest this week within 1 to 2 days, the 291.81 to 296.35 area. So if you're day trading the market, it is really selling 337.24 and buying 319.68. If you're doing a 3 to 5 day swing trade, you may hold out for 349.41 as a short sale or a long liquidation, and you can buy into 309.86 as a 3 to 5 day swing trade. Now, if we were to close below 291.81, we see a 1 to 2 month target at 227.85 as our overall objective anyway, following the settlement 3-4 weeks ago below 378.05. Please click like, share, subscribe.
Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.